Welcome to the forefront of technological advancement in water treatment plant automation, powered by Delta Electronics and IPCS Automation. In the heart of Palakkad, a transformation is underway, powered by the Atal Mission for Rejuvenation and Urban Transformation, AMRIT. With a visionary budget of 220 crores, the Palakkad Municipal Corporation is witnessing a remarkable resurgence, particularly in its drinking water infrastructure. Under the watchful eye of the Kerala Water Authority, a symphony of progress unfolds. From the pristine waters of the Malampuja Dam, raw water is channeled through a network of pumps and mains, leading to the cornerstone of this endeavor, a cutting-edge water treatment plant. With a staggering capacity of 45 million liters per day, this plant stands as a testament to modern engineering marvels. Our intelligent systems meticulously monitor and control every aspect of the treatment process, from intake to distribution, with unparalleled precision. With Delta and IPCS, you can trust that your plant operates at peak efficiency, maximizing resource utilization while minimizing waste. With unwavering precision, the purified water cascades into clear water sumps, ready to embark on its final journey towards the awaiting reservoirs. 3 high-quality freshwater reservoirs, strategically positioned in Mattumantha, Kalamandapam, and Muthanthara, stand as beacons of hope, heralding a new dawn of abundance and prosperity. Through a network of clear water pump sets and distribution channels, this liquid lifeline reaches every doorstep, enriching lives and nurturing communities. Through advanced data analytics and remote monitoring, our solutions empower plant operators with actionable insights, enabling proactive maintenance and swift response to changing conditions. With Delta and IPCS, you are always one step ahead. IPCS Automation and Delta Electronics together are transforming the way we need to treat water, today and tomorrow. Experience the future of water treatment plant automation with Delta Electronics and IPCS Automation. Our commitment to innovation and excellence ensures that your plant remains at the forefront of efficiency, reliability, and sustainability. 45 MLD water treatment plant symbolizes more than just a technological feat. It signifies a promise fulfilled, a commitment to a brighter future for all. With each drop of water that flows, may we remember the resilience of the human spirit and the power of collective action. Together, we build, we thrive, and we usher in a new era of possibility.